Here's how to use visual intelligence with the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max and the iPhone Air. And I'm using it to identify plants around my home and garden. And when I first tried this, I thought that you had to be already in the camera mode. I thought you had to go into the camera and identify it, but you don't do that. That's the mistake I made and probably other people are making too. What you do is you can just go in straight from the lock screen and you just press here on the camera control button until you get the coloured light around the border of your iPhone. And then you just point your iPhone at the plant that you want to identify. And at the bottom of your iPhone screen, it will give you your result. And it says maybe, and then the name of the plant, but it doesn't always get it correct. And it hasn't got it correct here. If you're not sure that it's got it correct, or you want to be more certain that it's got it correct, you can tap on ask. And then it will take a picture of it and it will send it to ChatGPT. And then it comes out with, most times, a much more accurate result. And this has got it now. It's a Kalanchoe plant, which I got from a colleague at work actually. So that is accurate. And the other thing you can do is you can tap on X on the bottom right hand side of your screen to return to the main visual intelligence screen, and then tap on search and it will show you similar images to the plant that you're looking at. And once you're in visual intelligence mode, you can just move your iPhone and point it from one plant to another and identify as many plants as you like. Now here I'm testing out in my garden and it's correctly identified this geranium, and here we've got a pelargonium. And if it takes too long to identify the new plant that you want to identify because it's still got the results from the previous plant, just move your iPhone and point it to an area where there's no plants at all, and then move it back to the plant that you want to identify. And for common plants, it's quite accurate, but for more exotic plants, you probably have to tap on the ask button so you can ask ChatGPT to get a better result. Because here it's telling me that it's a lime plant, but it's not, it's actually a lemon tree, which is close. And I've had that lemon tree a long time, actually, about 20 years, growing it from seed. Can you believe it, from a supermarket? And then over here, this is my wisteria tree, which I've had a few years, and it hasn't managed to get an accurate result for that either. But I'm sure Apple's visual intelligence results will improve over time, like my videos, hopefully. And if you like this video, please thumbs it up, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.